This is my dog, hopefully, honking the horn in the, oh, not that girl, green car, Buick. And my dog, it's kind of hard, you might have to zoom in, I can't really do that. This might take a while. Come on, Biscuit, come here. Come on, you can do it again. You can do it. Yes, you can do it. Okay, this might take a while because she just went to the back of the car, but...
the back seat instead.
I think they took a video of it.
Did they?
I don't know, they might have. Slick. So, we're at McDonald's. Yummy! This day is McDonald's $1 Happy Meal Day. Oh, there's the dog. Oh, no, there she is. She might want to horn. She said the wrong word. So come on, go down a little. Okay, so she's right there if you can see her.
Come on.
We're just begging her to come honk the horn for this video. Come on, Biscuit. She's looking at us like, you want me to honk the horn again?
What you waiting for?
They got it.
You got it.
Come on, Biscuit.
You say you got video of her on the horn.
Might have. Looks like they keep checking out their phone. Yes. Come on, Biscuit. Come on. Biscuit, come on. This might take a while. Wish I had. Ooh, come on. Dang it, she went back in the back seat again. So this might take a while, so I just want to zoom forward if I ever get this video through. Then, yeah. McDonald's. Happy Meal. And everything. Not like I think. Ooh, let's check out Mom's purse. Pretty. That dog's just looking at me. So, yep, there she is. Not too. She's about right. Right. She's right there. At the tip of my finger. Oh, now she moved. Oh, there she is. She's jumping in the window. Oh, come on! She almost honked the horn.
I don't think she wants to do it anymore.
She only did it 3 times. Oh, remember at Youth World? Oh, there she's jumping in the window again. Look at her. She's still she's scratching the window. Oh. She yawned and then she's on laying on the floor. Down a little bit. Come on, just down a little bit and then honk. Come on. Come on. You want it? Did you hear that? She honked the horn. Finally. Oh, there she did it again.
Did she honk it?
She honked it twice now. Oh, there she is again. Oh, she did it again.
That's so funny.
Oh, she did it again. Very small. Oh, and there she goes back. Jumping to the window. She's trying to wave goodbye. Yeah, goodbye, says the doggy. Wait. She's behind the horn again. Well,
I need to take her over some place to,
looks like that's all we have for today. Bye. Say goodbye, Biscuit. Okay, she's gonna pant goodbye.
Alright, turn the video.